Well, hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome to Caffeine and Fitness. That is going to be the name of this channel, as you saw at the beginning of this video. And today it is Hinge Day. That's right, we're going to do a little complex today. Quick thing about hinge movements, it's all about keeping that core tight, back straight. So the movements that we're going to perform today, deadlifts, deadlift hypos, and snatches, you want to make sure that you keep that core tight and your back straight at all times, like this. All right, we are going to do unilateral movements, so one side at a time. We'll start non-dominant. In my case will be my left and then my right. So on your hinge, butt goes back, core tight, go down, then come up, keep that core tight, squeeze your butt at the top. Deadlift, deadlift hypo, and snatch. So keep in mind when you performing those movements, if you're not comfortable with that, especially with the hypo and the snatch, stay with the deadlift. Practice that. Make sure you get good at that and comfortable, and then you can move on to the more complicated or complex movements. So today's workouts, we have 6 deadlifts, 4 deadlift hypos, and 2 snatches. Start with left, then right, straight into 10 thrusters, and then 10 burpees over the dumbbell. We're gonna do that for 5 rounds for time. So yeah, hopefully I'll have time to mow my lawn right after that. That'll be my cardio, I guess. So yeah, let's do this.